I've been on YouTube for more than 10 years now, and I have gotten more high quality paying clients from my YouTube videos than I ever did from anything else. More than calling my sphere, more than geographic farming, more than newsletters or paid ads or buying leads, more than any of those things. And what's wild is that most realtors are still not doing this. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why every real estate agent needs to start a YouTube channel for 2026, even if you feel like you're late to the game, and I'll show you exactly what you need to do in order to make it work. Because this platform is not about going viral, it's about being found by the right people at the exact right moment in time. Now, as I said, most of your competitors are not doing this. If they have a YouTube channel, they're mostly just doing tours of their listings, which is fine. We want to show off our listings and we want to get them sold, but they're not evergreen videos, meaning they are only relevant for a very brief period of time. Once the house sells, it's no longer relevant. And spoiler alert, most people do not go to YouTube so that they can watch listing tours. They're there to learn something or be entertained. And unless you've got a $6 million mansion that you're showing off, they're not going to watch a tour of just the average median price point home. It's just not interesting enough. But with evergreen content, YouTube has far more longevity than any other platform. Imagine if you make a video and you put it on Instagram as a reel, you put it on Facebook. Those videos will hang around for a couple of days and then they'll never be seen again. But if I make a video for YouTube and I posted it in 2017, guess what? I'm still getting leads from it today. And this is true because I got an email this morning that was a lead from a video I made in 2017. It's almost that time of year again, Black Friday and Cyber Monday, but you got to be on my newsletter list in order to be notified what's going on sale and how big of a sale it's going to be. So if you're already getting emails from videobossagent.com, you are all set. If you're not, go to my website. I will leave the link down below. Download any of my free guides and you'll automatically be added to my newsletter list. And then check your emails because we're going to start dropping some juicy nuggets the week of Black Friday and you don't want to miss it. All right, back to the video. There's no chasing of the algorithm required. We make a video that is designed for a specific type of client with a specific problem. We make this educational, helpful video, and they find it when they search for it. They aren't being force-fed it by the algorithm. The evergreen portion of the way that YouTube works is amazing, and I built my entire career off of it. So I'm telling you that it works really well. In fact, I put together an entire 1-hour training all about why YouTube is the best platform you're probably not using for attracting leads. So if you want to learn more about that, I will link it right up here. It's called the 5 Steps to Making YouTube Your #1 Lead Source. I encourage you to click that and watch it when we're done. Another reason why YouTube is so great is that you don't have to be super entertaining. This video is a perfect example. Yes, I have lighting, I have a background, I've given some thought to the area where I will film my videos. But this is just a spare bedroom in my house. This is nothing that anybody could not recreate on their own. It's not about being wildly entertaining and hilarious and funny. It's about being helpful, informational, educational, and maybe a little bit of entertainment thrown in there. If people find you enjoyable to watch, they'll watch your videos, even though you're teaching them something about a real estate topic. And so why will you talk about real estate topics? Because Google owns YouTube. You make a video about a specific problem, a concern, a question people have about a transaction. If I'm thinking of selling my house in 2026, what are the popular paint colors? Does it still have to be gray? Do I have to paint everything gray before I list myself? Why can't I have a navy blue accent wall like this in my dining room? Will people hate it? You make a video answering those questions, and guess what? You can show up on the first page of Google search results as well as showing up in YouTube. Somebody goes to Google, what color do I need to paint my house in order to sell? Your video shows up at the top of the search results. This is how you start ranking on Google and YouTube and bringing tons of visibility to your business where before you had none. The views you get on YouTube are from people with intent. Nobody will click on that video and watch it if they're not thinking about selling your house. And if the title of it is, what color should I paint my house in Savannah, Georgia in order to get ready for the market? People that are thinking of selling in Savannah that click on that video are telling you, I'm thinking of selling my house and I live in the market that you service. YouTube is the only platform that keeps working for you 24 hours a day, 365 days a year while you're sleeping, while you're in bed with a cold, or while you're on vacation. You will not get this kind of return on your time spent from any other platform. This is a hill I'm willing to die on. YouTube is the best thing that I ever did to build my business after moving to a new state where nobody knew me. I had no name recognition. And within a year, I was so busy, I had to form a team. So if you're serious about making YouTube work for you next year, again, I want you to watch this masterclass. I go into great detail about my strategy of how and why YouTube is so effective, and I want to share it with you too. So I'll catch you on the masterclass.